About a year after one of my videos hit 9 million views, I finally cracked the blueprint to consistently going viral. In this video, I'll pass that knowledge on to you. This isn't some typical tutorial telling you to spam trending hashtags, most of that is nonsense. You'll learn the exact formula the top short-form creators use to blow up their content. So pay attention, take notes if you'd like, and let's dive in. Before we get to hacking the algorithm, we need to truly understand it. It's not random. It doesn't depend on luck. The algorithm simply pushes the best, most engaging content. So, if you create shorts that keep people watching, blowing up is practically guaranteed. To prove that, let me take you back to when I started. I had no clue what I was doing, my shorts barely crossed 100 views. But I kept refining my videos, and after 4 months I hit 10k subscribers. Then on my next channel, with more experience, I hit 10k in just 3 weeks. That's why I say, if you make good shorts, the algorithm will notice and push them. Step 1 is absolutely crucial, everything else is useless if you skip this. You need an interesting topic. That's the foundation of every viral short. Without it, no fancy editing or timing can save you. Start by thinking about your target audience. Who are they? What do they want to watch? Why would they care? Look at what's already working in your niche. Research big channels and see what topics are consistently pulling high views. Take a creator named Shale. His top shorts targeted younger viewers, mostly school kids. Whenever he posted content outside that interest, views dropped. But as soon as he refocused on school-themed topics, views shot up again. Always consider who your audience is and what content genuinely interests them. Just following that advice alone will make your video ideas 10 times stronger. The topic alone isn't enough. You have to execute it properly. Let's look at an example. A creator made a short titled, "Mr. Beast shares the key secret to his success on YouTube, and it's not what you expect." That's an excellent topic and grabs attention. But the problem? Just 5 seconds in, he revealed the entire secret. No anticipation. No reason to keep watching. Viewers instantly lose interest and scroll. That's a major mistake. Ideally, the secret should have been revealed at the end, keeping viewers hooked the whole way through. This is why delivery and execution matter just as much as the idea. The two big pieces of that are editing and structure. Editing is the external layer, cuts, pacing, captions, music. Structure is how you build your story, hooks, progression, and payoffs. If you learn to combine both well, you'll make viral shorts effortlessly. I use a system called HPC. It's simple but incredibly powerful. H is for hook. Your first 5 seconds are the most critical. They must grab attention and create curiosity. Take a short that pulled over 70 million views. It began with, "I want to be the first person to have a snowball fight in the desert." It was fast-paced, had captions, music, and most importantly, it raised questions. How will he get snow in the desert? Will he actually do it? Those questions keep viewers watching. P is for progression. Fulfill the promise you set up. In that same short, the creator showed himself struggling in the heat, then packing up to get snow from the mountains. It kept building toward the payoff. Imagine if instead he'd just opened his trunk and pulled out a cooler of ice, that would have killed all the excitement. Always make sure the journey pays off the promise from your hook. C is for climax. This is where you deliver exactly what the audience came for. In this case, the snowball fight actually happens in the desert, tying the whole story together. That's satisfying storytelling. The editing, pacing, music, and humor all made it even stronger. Even if your niche is completely different, tech, finance, DIY, these same principles apply. A strong hook, clear progression, and a payoff at the end keep people glued to the screen. Don't be afraid to learn from others. Mimic techniques from successful creators in your space. Studying top channels is one of the fastest ways to level up your content. Now you might think we're done, but there's another critical piece that most people overlook, the posting strategy. Many creators limit their own views simply by mishandling when and how often they post. And I'm not talking about hashtags or titles. Those help a little but they're surface level. On my earlier channels, I experimented with every factor: days of the week, times of day, frequency. Here's what I found. Day of the week doesn't matter. I've had shorts succeed and flop on every single day. Time of day does matter. For me, shorts posted in the morning perform significantly better. But that doesn't mean morning is best for you. You need to check your YouTube analytics. Under the Audience tab, you'll see when your viewers are most active. That's the perfect time for you to post. I also tested upload frequency. On 2 channels, I posted as little as twice a week and as much as 4 times a day. 4 times daily was a bad idea, My content quality dropped, and only half the posts even got picked up by the algorithm. Twice a week worked better, but felt slow and unproductive. Ultimately, once per day was the sweet spot. It was frequent enough to build momentum, but still gave me time to make high-quality videos. If daily is too much for you, that's fine. Scale it back. The real key is consistency. Don't disappear for long stretches. Going dark breaks your momentum, and rebuilding that is way harder than staying consistent in the first place. So let's recap this proven formula for making viral shorts. 1. Pick topics that your target audience craves.